Bayes formula. Bayes formula is also called formula for probabilities of hypothesis. The statement of Bayes formula is if the events A1, A2, A3 and so on up to AK forms partition of the sample space S. For example, this is the whole sample space and suppose there are some partitions A1, A2, A3, AK and so on up to AK. Suppose that A1, A2, A3 and so on up to AK forms partition of the sample space S like this. That is, the event AI are mutually exclusive. हमारे पास जो इवेंट्स होंगे AI वो हमारे पास क्या होंगे? Mutually exclusive होंगे and their union is S. If we find the union of A1, A2, A3 and so on up to AK, so we will get the whole sample space. And B is any other event of the sample space S such that it can occur only if one of the AI occur. Also we suppose that here B is any event. For example, this is B of the sample space S such that it can occur only if one of AI occur. यहाँ पर हमारे पास B एक ऐसा इवेंट होगा, ये तब अकर करेगा जब हमारे पास AI and AI अकर करता हो. Then show that probability of AI combination, probability of AI given B is equal to probability of AI multiplied by probability of B given AI whole divided by summation probability of AI into probability of B given AI. Now we are going to the proof. Since we know that probability of A given B is equal to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. If we interested to find the value of probability of A intersection B, then we transfer this probability of B to the left hand side and we will get probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of B multiplied by probability of A given B. This is called multiplication rule of probability. So if we find probability of AI combination B, this is equal to probability of B intersection AI divided by probability of B. But we are only interested to find the value of probability of B intersection AI which is equal to probability of B into probability of AI given B like this. If we solve this conditional probability of A intersection B, so we will get this answer. So if we find conditional probability of AI combination B and then find the value of probability of B intersection AI, so we will get this answer. Similarly, probability of B intersection I is also equal to this probability of AI n2 multiplied by probability of B given AI. Comparing the above equation and find the value of probability of AI combination B. Now we want to find the value of probability of AI given B. Since we know that x is always equal to x, then probability of B combination AI is always equal to probability of B intersection AI. Putting the values of probability of B intersection AI, which is equal to probability of B into probability of AI given B, is equal to probability of B intersection AI is equal to probability of AI into probability of B given AI. And solve this equation for probability of AI given B by only transfer this multiplication to the right hand side, and this becomes in the form of division. Probability AI given B is equal to probability AI, probability of B given AI whole divided by probability of B. Now, looking this B, if we find the intersection of the whole sample space S and the event B, we will get the answer is B. So the intersection of the sample space and his event B is equal to B. We also know that if we find the union of A1, A2, A3 and so on a union AK, we will get the whole sample space S. So we can write S in the form of this A1 union A2 union A3 and so on up to AK, intersection B. Now applying laws of sets, A union B intersection C is equal to A intersection C union A intersection B intersection C. So we apply this law on this equation. A1 intersection B union A2 intersection B union A3 intersection B and so on union AK intersection B. Now applying probability on this equation, so probability of left hand side is equal to probability of right hand side. Probability of B is equal to, we know that A1 intersection B, A2 intersection B, A3 intersection B and so on AK intersection B are mutually exclusive events. So probability of this plus probability of this plus probability of this and plus probability of this. If two events A and B are mutually exclusive, then the probability of the intersection of A and B is equal to probability of A and probability of B. If A and B are mutually exclusive, if A and B are mutually exclusive, then the probability of and the intersection of A and B is equal to probability of A and to probability of B. And we know that probability of A1 intersection A2 is equal to probability of A1 and to probability of B combination A1 plus probability of A2 intersection B is equal to probability of A2 and to probability of B given A2 plus and so on. Probability of AK intersection B is equal to probability of AK and to probability of B given AK. If we apply this multiplication rule on each probability of this equation. Now, probability of A1, probability of A2, probability and so on, probability of AK. A1, A2, A3 and so on up to AK. यहाँ पर अगर हम देखें तो हमारे पास probability of A1 multiplication में है, यहाँ probability of A2 multiplication में है, यहाँ पर probability of A3 multiplication में है and so on, यहाँ पर probability of AK हमारे पास मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है, तो इसको हम समेशन के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं क्योंकि हर एक टर्म के दरमियान हमारे पास क्या मौजूद है, प्लस मौजूद है। तो ये प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए आई बन जाएगा वेयर आई स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1 अप टू के। अगर आप यहाँ पे 1 पुट कर ले तो ये बन जाएगा, अगर आप यहाँ पे 2 पुट कर ले तो ये बन जाएगा, और आप यहाँ पे के पुट कर ले तो आपके पास ये बन जाएगा। प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी, दिस इज कांस्टेंट बिकॉज हियर अगर हम यहाँ पे देखें तो हमारे पास 1 2 3 वगैरह नहीं है, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी अपनी जगह पर a1 a2 a3, इसको हम कंबाइनली ए आई कहें वेयर आई स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1 अप टू के। दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी। नाउ पुटिंग दिस वैल्यू इन इक्वेशन नंबर 1, probability of AI given B is equal to probability of AI, probability of B given AI whole divided by probability of B. So putting the value of probability of B in equation number 1, so we will get this formula, and this formula is called Bayes formula.